Remember that day, coming back from a hike or a walk in the park, feeling alive and recharged? Let me walk you through the healing effects of forest baths today and take you back to this feeling of joy. Because isn't it shocking to know that nature heals? The Japanese introduced and understood that wood do people good, while distance from nature makes us sick. Did you know that doctors in British Columbia, Canada, can now prescribe a national park pass to patients in need of the physical and mental health benefits offered by the nature? And did you know that trees and plants emit aromatic compounds that, when inhaled, can spur healthy biological changes with therapeutic benefits? Here's a recipe for the forest medicine. Look around. Be aware but not tense. Surrender to this relaxed attention. Makes you actually feel more mentally receptive. Listen and tune into the frequency of the forest by slowing down, maybe closing your eyes and listening in all directions, outwards and inwards. Sniff and smell, because trees have different phytoncides with different healing properties. Touch deepens connections. Take off your shoes and feel the ground and soil. Pause for a sip of water from a stream, only if you know it's clean. The final sense is your feeling of awe or wonder. Perhaps you've already felt it before, staring at the stars, the sunset, or the ocean. Take a walk and let nature be your teacher and your healer.